Today we're announcing the exciting combination of BD and Bard to build a leading healthcare company, a company that's going to be really impactful in advancing the world of health.
This provides one of the largest medical device companies in the world that probably has the broadest array of products to take care of patients.
The combination of BD and Bard creates the best partner for healthcare providers, not just in the US, but around the globe. Bar none.
We're very closely aligned. The value system, the integrity, the innovation, and the commitment to healthcare delivery and improving the lives of patients.
We both improve fundamental processes in the healthcare system, lowering costs and improving quality of things like the medication management process, the infection prevention process, while at the same time making a substantial impact in specific disease states, be that diabetes, peripheral vascular disease, or renal disease.
We have other programs going on, in diabetes care, for example. And when we step back and look at what other conditions those patients have, it falls right on your product line. All the things that are going on in terms of, vascular disease.
Being able to bring skill sets to improve the process of care, while also bringing the depth of knowledge and clinical expertise to improve the outcome of specific diseases. No other company will be able to do what we can do.
CR Bard's been around for a long time, much like BD, 110 years. We now have 16,000 employees around the world. We're pretty evenly distributed in terms of our revenue base, especially in emerging markets.
Our pipeline as an organization has never been as robust as it is today. And I think that, with the combination around the globe, with the power both organizations have, will be really phenomenal for patients.
BD is a medical device and life science company with about 2/3 on the medical side and about 1/3 on life sciences before this transaction. It's a company that's passionate about advancing the world of health. We're about $12 billion in sales, and we're now a solutions company, both on the medical side and on the life science side.
We often describe BD as really being focused on discovery, diagnosis, and treatment.
One of the other exciting opportunities, I think, is this whole focus on infection control.
Absolutely.
Because when you do drive from the hospital to the home, that's actually where the incidence of infections occurs with the maintenance of the PICCs and the other catheters. And I think with a lot of your capability, we can help solve those problems together and really take care of an unmet need.
In fact, the combined technology can handle over 75% of the infections that are acquired in hospitals today.
We will become a really important partner for healthcare systems around the globe. Think about this. We're going to have a billion-dollar business in China.
And we have over 3 manufacturing facilities in China now for the combined organization, substantial R&D capabilities to innovate and develop local solutions for that marketplace.
You're a powerful organization in the United States and around the world, and so are we. When you put these two organizations together, that power at the customer interfacing side of things is really going to be remarkable.
I think this deal is tremendous for shareholders. It's accretive from day one. It's going to have strong cash flow. It's going to have a company that's growing faster than it was, improving margins. You put all of that together, that's very positive for shareholders. But the shareholders of both companies.
When you look at the performance of both of our companies over the last several years, we've been at the top tier of medical technology sector. We're big believers in driving revenue growth. Clearly you are as well.
We also both have a number of shareholders who are very focused on societal impact that the companies that they're investing in are making. Our combination is only going to raise up the bar.
These are companies historically that have taken great revenue growth and turned it into superb earnings per share growth. This combination will do exactly the same.
Now you think about now 3 different segments, the geographic diversity of the company, the career opportunities now in the new BD are hard to match within this industry.
And if you're from the Bard side, think about it. You just are entering an organization that has 4 times the amount of opportunity in terms of positions around the world. Very exciting for our people, I believe.
Something that we take a lot of pride in is rotating talent across businesses. I've worked in or had responsibility for every business in the company today.
I'll tell you what I'm most impressed with. We've known each other more than 15 years. Every time I've interacted with you guys, I felt the culture, and we've seen it with our people interacting through this process. It's a really similar fit.
And John, I remember when you were talking about the Bard values and putting humility at the top of the list. And that really struck a chord with us. It's about what we're doing for patients, right?
You're darn right.
It's going to be a real honor for me to be CEO of this combined company of BD. And I'm really looking forward to having you on the board and working with you, working with John in a consulting capacity to make sure all of this goes well with your knowledge of the company and your relationships across the company. And of course with Tom in his new role as president of BD. I'm really looking forward to working with you in your new capacity with so much opportunity for all of us and for everybody in the company.
So when in total you look at the combined company and our market and product leadership positions, our investment philosophy and continued innovation and product leadership, and then on top of that, you look at the financial profile of the combined company, it's an extremely powerful entity in healthcare. The fastest growth company in med tech, and that's what gets us jazzed.
I'm jazzed. I'm thinking about going out on a customer visit and representing this company to the customer, and the capabilities that this company is going to have and the impact that it can have on the patients. This is going to be a wonderful experience.